Hi, I'm Cassie, and this is Surprise Let's Play, and today we're going to be opening Chucky and Tiffany. So let's just start off with their box art. Let's take this out. Look at them! They're gorgeous. So on one side, that was my box, not, This is Tiffany, her box art on the side. And Chucky, so cute. And then the dolls. So the dolls are actually little sister sized, and I am stoked about that. My friend Ashley, who is Mother Gothel's Reborn Nursery on Instagram, actually scored these and then sold them to me for $200. And I'm super happy they're here. She mailed them to me super fast, and they got to her really fast too, which really surprises me because some people still haven't gotten their Elvira, some people still haven't gotten their Frankensteins. So anyways, it's an interesting world out there with these Skullector dolls. You never know what you're gonna get. You never know when they're gonna drop, but I sometimes buy them secondhand, so usually if my friends have them or eBay. So anyways, let's just get right into it. Okay, so here's Tiffany and Chucky out of the box. They do come with a COA. Don't forget to take it out of the box. I think this is my first Skullector COA that I have, and I have every Skullector doll, so don't forget to take out the COAs. So here is the COA for Chucky and Tiffany. It says, this certifies that your Monster High Skullector Chucky Tiffany dolls materialized through the collaboration efforts of designers and artists at Mattel. Rebecca Shipman. So, cool. So let's go over the dolls. I am stoked for them. I'm stoked to have them. I'm stoked that a whole collaboration was done on Chucky and Tiffany, and I love that they're tiny. It's super cute. I love that they're a lesbian couple. Like, that is really, really, really cute. It's also good for the community to have some representation. So any, gay, bi, lesbian dolls are very cool. So we have Chucky and Tiffany. They're both girls. And I want to go over Chucky first. So the obvious is the hair clip is a knife. It's Chucky's knife. So yeah. And then here is Chucky's face. And it is done so well. She almost looks like Freddy Krueger in a way. But definitely Chucky. And then she has on Chucky's outfit, almost completely the same. Here are her shoes. I think they also say good guys on the bottom of them. So there is Chucky. And we also have Tiffany. So I'm excited about Tiffany. I think she looks like Elvira. If you haven't seen her YouTube yet, it's called The Doll Circle. She literally is adorable and awesome, but it looks like her. The way she does her hair, it just looks like her. Could just be because our last Skullector doll was Elvira, but anyways, It is really cool though that they are spitting out these Skullector dolls like no tomorrow. Like, it's awesome. I just wish that getting the Skullector dolls was a lot easier for people to get, for anyone that are kids, because kids like these dolls too. Like, kids love these dolls, and so I just wish that these were more readily available for people to have. However, I do want to note that they are collector dolls, so make sure your children are old enough to play around the small pieces before you give any kind of doll like this to your kids. So anyways, without further ado, let's look over Tiffany. So she has this smoky eye, and then her beautiful green eyes. She has her little tattoo, and then her hair is just done up so cute. Like, look at those bangs. And then over on the side, maybe get it out of the stand or not. I'll just kind of leave it like that. She's got black earrings, black lipstick. She's got these stockings. She has lipstick boots. And they're really cute. So she's so cute. I think these two are adorable. I can't wait to put them on my shelf to see what they look like with my other Skullector dolls. And let me know, did you guys get these dolls? Did you get them through eBay? Did you get them through the Mattel website? What did you pay for them? What are you willing to pay for these dolls? What price do you think these dolls should not surpass? Anyways, just let me know in the comments section down below, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and then join me on Instagram at Surprise Let's Play. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next time, and I hope you enjoyed my video. All right, have a good day. Bye guys.